I've committed a perverse act. And I make this confession and ask if there's one other sinner that has committed this perverse act. Is there one other pervert that one time in your life, just one time in your life, you did piss in the sink?